Good morning, YouTube. Scott Litt here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning at this beautiful home. Gonna clean this driveway, all those brick pavers, all through there. This is new concrete, so I can't put any pressure on it. I'm gonna soft wash it. I'm gonna use a roof mix, which worked because I'm cleaning this roof. Cleaning this entire pool deck. Obviously all that. Roof's in pretty bad shape. Clean all that up there. The entire pool deck. This is all new concrete, so I'm just gonna do a hot mix soft wash on it. Got all my hoses pulled. Got my surface cleaner staged. I'm gonna use my 4 gallon per minute machine in the back. And then once I finish back here, I'm gonna work my way to the front. I've already got all my hoses pulled here. Then I'm gonna clean their driveway, that walkway, and spray the gutters. Just getting everything staged. I'm gonna X-jet the driveway with about a 2% mix. Finish up here. I've got about almost 30 gallons of 5% mix made. I'm gonna use my 9.6 gallon per minute Comet roof pump here. Gonna pull Kim out of my 65 gallon tank there. And we're gonna smoke this job. So I'll see y'all in the back when I start cleaning the roof. All right guys, feet on the ground. I'm able to hit the top of the roof. No problem at all. Got a little air. Pretty amazing. All right, I'm gonna see how my mix works. All right guys, my mix is working beautifully. I've got my ladder set up there because I can see the top of that roof using my ladder here. That's the last section of roof I have. Been here 20 minutes, almost finished with the roof. This gas roof pump is just unbelievable. My soap is perfect. I have barely any runoff. Got to hit that tip top corner right there, that edge. It's turning out beautiful, guys. I don't remember if y'all know, I don't know if y'all remember what it looked like before, but I mean, it's already a dramatic difference. So, all right, I'm gonna hit that edge there. I'm trying to be careful not to overspray over the house. Got that little section of roof, and then touch up a spot over there, and roof's done, and then start cleaning the pool deck. All right guys, update on this job. I'm completely finished in the back. I'm about to clean this driveway, all this brick, a little walkway, and then touch up the gutters. This shouldn't take maybe an hour with an 8 gallon per minute. So show you all the end result back here. This is all new concrete, so I couldn't put a whole lot of pressure on it. Pool deck looks awesome. Roof looks awesome. Still drying a little bit. Still see a little soap on there. Pool deck looks brand new. That roof turned out great. They're gonna be super happy with that. All right, I've got to train myself not to walk on grass after I clean something because you're gonna attract mud. So I've done that like 3 or 4 times already. All right, let's go knock this front out. Call it a day. $850 job. I've been here about 2 hours. Guys, I smoked this job. I thought this was gonna take me about 5 or 6 hours. I did it right in 4 at 8 gallons per minute. Just flew through this driveway. Customer's already been by. That's his car. He's already got me on schedule to come back and clean the pool deck. Everything turned out great. Give you all the end result back here. Now that everything's kind of dry, stay on the sidewalk, Scotty. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah. Beautiful. That little streak right there is rust. I tried to upsell it. And he said, don't worry about it. Everything looks so good, he's not worried about that little rust spot, but it all looks good, real good. That little streak right there is soap. After a good rain, it'll wash all that excess soap off, but everything turned out great. He's super happy. He's already got me wanting to come back and clean his pool deck like twice a year, so I'll come back probably in the fall and clean his gutters out and clean his pool deck. All right, guys, $850 in 4 hours. Calling it a day. I had another hose burst on me. I'm gonna go to Northern Tool and buy probably 3 or 4 high pressure hoses. That way I have 2 ready to rock and roll and then 2 extras to serve as a backup. So beautiful job, super happy. I'm happy, customer's happy, everything cleaned up great. Pretty flawless job besides my hose bursting, but that's an uncontrollable. So gutters turned out great. Beautiful day to wash, guys. All right, guys, Scott Lett, Pro Exterior Cleaning. See y'all tomorrow at a $1,300 commercial job.